Yep. Drive. Half. Right side. Keep it. Good pace.
Underneath the arm.
Presley, you come underneath the arm, okay? You come underneath. Follow. Half. Circle, hold. Reposition yourself, good. Come under the arm.
Under the arm.
Chest, use your chest. Your ankle.
Ashley, watch out for the cradle! Come on, Ashley!
Slow it down.
Slow down a little bit, there you go. Hold it, there you go.
Pull it up to you. You get that half right away afterwards. 2-on-1. Go that up. Near ankle, follow.
Get up and get around.
Follow.
Hold that elbow. There you go. Near ankle.
Get up. There you go.
Good job.
Half. Go. Cross face.
Put your legs back, cross face, get back behind.
Kick your left leg back. Drive.
There you go, good.
Keep that hand hurt. 30 seconds. Good. Power half. Run that half. Keep that half in deep. Hey. The side you have to half, the side you got to be on.
Hey, finish on top. Presley, finish on top. It's 18 seconds. Good job.
Hey, she's going for a sit-out. Follow her. Drive. Keep going. Hold. Just hold. We're good.
Hey, Presley, next time instead of walking on the net, just tee off with it and then take the near leg.
Hey, Presley. Stay low. Right there. Go. Back down. Drive. Use your head. Arm check that out. Hey, come up. Circle in. Out. Stay low. Forward pressure. Jack down. Circle to your left. Good. Swim out. Half. Left hand half. Half. Hold.
See the head. Cup the head. There you go, right there.
Sit on your butt. Head up. Step over. Hold. Pick up. Half. Right hand half. Left side. Keep your leg in. Pull it back in. Again, pull it a little more. Off your knees. Stay in bounce. Hold. You're good.
Good job.
Nice job, Presley.
Just underneath from your arm.
Press in your ankle. Stop. 2-on-1. Hold her.
Locking out. Okay.
Presley. Just wrestle. Hey, deep waist chop, 2-on-1. Deep waist chop, 2-on-1. Chop. Bar that up. Hold. Half. When you get to that position, half. Keep wrestling.
Near leg.
Hold.